In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on Nightstand Mode, or also called Standby Mode, on your iPhone. It'll look something like this whenever you turn your phone sideways and it is plugged in at night, kind of turning it into an alarm clock. So what you want to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone. So here we are under Settings, and then if we scroll down, we should see something with a black icon that says Standby. Tap into Standby here and make sure that you have it enabled over to the right and green, which means that it's turned on. It says Standby will turn on when the iPhone is placed on its side, so when you put it in landscape mode while charging, so it's got to be plugged in to show information like widgets, photo frames, or clocks. So if you want to customize what it looks like, you just tap on Display here, and then you can see that you want to turn the display off automatically, or after 20 seconds, or never. You can choose whichever one fits what you need. At night, do you want to turn night mode on? Night mode basically will put it with a red tint to make it better on your eyes for you and you're sleeping. And then motion to wake. So standby will turn on the display when motion is detected, like if you're leaning up or you move your hand, that will motion it to wake and display everything on the screen. You can choose whether or not you want to show or not show notifications. And then right here where it says show preview on tap only, basically it'll hide the preview of the notifications until you tap the device, and then it will show you those notifications. So again, everything's done here in standby. Once you're done, make sure it's enabled, set up the way you want. Next time you're at your nightstand, about to go to bed, plug it in, turn it landscape or sideways, put it on a stand, whatever you normally want to do, and you will now see the nightstand or standby mode every time you plug it in and put it in landscape mode. I will put a pinned comment down below with the frequently asked questions if you're running into any issues. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.